Hello. So I'm gonna be starting a new series where I teach you guys some recipes that help me in my fitness journey. So these recipes are designed to be a little bit less in calories and higher in protein. So it's easier for me to go on that caloric deficit. The first recipe I'll be teaching you guys today is the tuna sandwich. Okay, so you want everything prepared first before you start making your tuna spread. So you're gonna need mayonnaise. I use Lady's Choice. You're gonna need gold seas tuna or any kind of tuna, whatever. It's important you get soaked in water because it has less calories. You get salt and pepper, the usual. You get sweet pickle relish and onions. Actually, that's about it. First thing you wanna do is peel your onion. You're gonna watch me struggling to peel my own onion. And then you guys can chop the onion. I personally use this processor so I don't cry chopping the onion. Then get your tuna, drain the tuna. Then for the mayonnaise, I like to use a food scale because the calories here just go by really quick. You can also use other types of mayonnaise like this Hellmann's mayonnaise, only 15 calories per serving. Compared to the mayonnaise I'm using now, which is around 105 calories per serving. For this recipe, I use around 60 grams, so 4 servings. Then you just combine everything, so the tuna, and then another tuna, and then mix. Then you get pickle relish. This is for taste. I put a little bit more than a teaspoon here. And then just continue mixing, add in the onions. Mix, salt, pepper to taste. Then just mix. And yeah, there you have it, your tuna spread. I'm just weighing it so I can give you guys the macros in a while. While we wait for the bread to toast, let's talk about the macros. So this recipe has around 20 grams per serving, 191 calories. If you use the regular mayonnaise. If you use the fat-free mayonnaise, like the Hellmann's mayonnaise I use, it's only about 101 calories per serving. And I usually eat this recipe with 2 slices of bread and 2 eggs. So that's around 40 grams of protein for a total of 472 calories. As you can see, it was very easy to prepare. It's very delicious. If you taste it, it's really good. And you get 40 grams of protein and it only sets you back around 500 calories for the day. It can even be way less than that if you use fat-free mayonnaise. So next video, I will be showing you guys how to make tuna sisig. Stay tuned for that.